Alright guys, back again to review the brand new Storm Night Road. We're going to compare it to the original High Road and the High Road Pearl. So let's get into it. Alright, we're going to throw the brand new Storm Night Road. Start right and move left like we always do. First shot. Good shot. Night Road features the same inverted FE2 technology core, which means this is a two-part ball, thick shell cover, like all the previous road balls. And it's wrapped in the REX Pearl cover stock that was found on the Dark Code and the Infinite Physics. All right, 5 more left. Low left. All right, we'll take the hit. I haven't been throwing it the best, so a couple shots will not be very good. Just throwing that out there. I'm not as sharp as I'd like to be. All right, 5 left. Let's see if we can throw a better one. Pretty decent. Oh, it saw some oil and did not like it. Really like the black and metallic look of the Night Road, and the purple logos with the glitter really makes it pop. All right, 5 more left. This is where we got to throw a little slower. Hook. All right, take the shaker. What I'm noticing from this, compared to the other balls that I would throw in around the same place, it's much cleaner than I thought it was going to be because of its stronger cover stock. Five more left. That one's pretty good. Oh wow. Never even tried. I got that one off my hand pretty good. And it didn't see it. I thought this ball would look really good from left because of how clean it is. All right, 5 left. Up against the ball return. I'm gonna try to throw it pretty slow, like slow wheel. And it did the same thing, and I got it to the extreme friction, and it just didn't hook off of it. All right, we're gonna throw one more shot from around that same zone. I'm gonna try to get it to hook, and then we'll get into the High Road Pearl. All right, let's see if we can get this one to shape. Maybe. I threw that one even slower than the last one. All right, well, we're gonna go to the High Road Pearl. see what it's got to offer. compared to the night road. First shot with high road pearl. I know it seems crazy to say this, but I think the high road pearl is earlier than the night road, which on paper with the cover stocks, it should be the opposite. But that's why we do these reviews, so you can see what a ball does on the lane and not on paper. Second shot with the high road pearl. Uh-oh, not the best one. Yeah, that was my fault. Alright, I'll try it again from there, just because it was not a very good shot. Maybe. Yeah, that's better. All right, 5 more left. Uh-oh, not the best shot. Yeah, wow. Forgot how much that one hooks down lane. Have to throw in the night road. Five more left. Man, this high road pearl putting the night road to shame. Five more left with the night road. I mean, sorry, high road pearl. Got one more shot with the high road pearl, and then we're getting to the high road. So far, I'm liking the high road pearl a little more. At least what we're bowling on today, which is the house shot. High road pearl seems to have more traction. Yeah, I mean, it's looked good other than that wrap 10. It's looked good across the entire lane. All right, let's get into the high road. Start further right. Trip that 4 out. I don't think I have to tell you, high road's been around for so long. I think every Storm fan at one point or another has owned or thrown a high road or a multiple. Because it does that. right, come on now. Slow ball return today. We're normally on 40, but they had other plans for me today. Five more left. I mean, people call it the goat ball for a reason. It's the longest production ball in Storm's history, but I believe it's bowling history as well, especially in the reactive resin era. For those that might remember a urethane ball, it lasted longer, but all right, 5 more left. I mean, you can do everything with a high road. It's like, it's just legendary. I mean, it's just, it's a high road. 5 more left. I thought it was going to give me that hit. Got it in the oil just a little bit. One more shot with the high road, and we're going to wrap this one up. And stay tuned for more comparisons to the night road coming soon. All right, first shot. I mean, last shot here with the high road. All right, that'll do it for this review. Thanks so much for watching. You can pre-order your night road today. It comes out September 23rd. If you're looking for something really, really clean and pretty responsive, but when they get really, really dry, I think it's going to look really good. And it's going to be a great option for when you're high road or high road pearl, just a little too early. So really appreciate the support. Please like, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.